The drive to get the new heavy bombers out of the factory demanded a huge workforce. I'm meeting Susan Jones, who as a teenager worked as a riveter on the new state-of-the-art Lancaster.
So, Sue, this is the first time you've seen your plane for a little while, isn't it?
It's so emotional. You know, I could just cry now just looking at her.
Yeah.
She's absolutely brilliant.
Yeah. How long did you build these planes for? How long?
5 years.
From what age?
16.
16.
Regular nights. 7 at night till 7 in the morning.
For 5 years?
5 years. Happiest days of my
Yeah.
life. Oh, they were brilliant.
These four-engine bombers were affectionately known as 10,000 rivets flying in close formation.
You
Hold on to the
right,
rivets,
go on.
Yep.
and then I'll
Go
hold
on.
on to the back, and then when I call rivet, just give it a couple of seconds on the gun.
Just a touch.
Yeah. Rivet.
Right.
There we go, that's one done.
Oh, that's it?
Yeah.
That's it.
Okay, let's have another go.
Oh, you'll have to be quicker than that.
Rivet. There we go.
Let me see.
That's a good rivet, though, no?
Yeah, it's not bad.
Can you get that underneath there?
Yep. Oh, sorry, I didn't wait for your
right,
command.
right.
Beg your pardon.
Oh, that
That one
will
has to- we have to get the
definitely
drill to
not
hold back
pass
out.
inspection.
Right, sorry. I think you should have a go.
It's a bit heavy for me, this
Okay, I'll
one.
hold it with you.
Right,
Rivet. There we go.
okay.
Oh, that's a professional one, you see. That's a real pro, that one.
Think I'll get a job here?
In 1942, 700 of the revolutionary new Lancasters were delivered to frontline bases.
That's the one.
She's famous. Can we have a wave? Can we have a wave?
A wave and then they're looking out the window. Oh, lovely.
Well, work 7 till 7.
Uh-huh.
7 nights a week.
Uh-huh. And how many nights off did you get?
None.
None?
For 12 months, we worked 7 nights a week.
This is the bit I
7
can't
till
believe.
7. Right.
Amazing.
Where I'm up to.
Until production will get makeup on.
Until the production was going. When they got the production going, they knocked the Saturday night off.
So you didn't have a night off or?
No, all we had is
3 months.
one late night, what you can call late night, on a Friday night till 9:30. And then I came in here in a frock, and I forgot I'd got it on when I went there, and I was sent back home for my trousers.
You must have been drunk if you forgot you had your dress
What,
on.
a 4-foot and
No,
leg?
if you was late, or you was absent.
No, if you was late.
Go before the magistrate.
You know, he was late more than once. All you before the magistrate's court, you know, he got fined 5 shillings.
So the ground floor was Bombay doors, was it?
Yep.
First floor was?
First floor was like machines.
Uh-huh.
Third floor was
What about the second floor?
Undercarriage door, the second floor. I've missed that one. Well, I think they was machines and all. You know, like I told you before, the joggling.
Yeah.
And the joggling,
Yeah,
you know.
bending and shaping.
And then the third floor was undercarriage doors, outer skins and inner skins, ailerons, nacelles. Then the fourth floor was the trailing edge.
Uh-huh.
And I worked on them all.
Gosh.
Bottom floor,
Now.
Henry Colvin. He played for Manchester United.
All right.
And he worked on the Glenine
Yeah.
on the first floor as well as the undercarriage doors. And if I'd have played my cards right, I could have been married to him.
So, you mentioned air raids.
Oh, well...
That fella's running downstairs or something.
Oh, yeah, the fellas run down the stone steps. I didn't see any stone steps there, did you?
No, they'd be around for that. You know, when you was younger, Manchester United hadn't even been started.
Manchester United used to play at Mutiny Waltham.
Yeah. But it wasn't Manchester United.
Oh, no, not then. He went on to...
Yeah. Excuse me, this is a war thing. Excuse me.
I'm a Polar, my pretty little poppy. You're like that lovely flower, so sweet and heavenly. Since I found you, my heart is wrapped around you, and loving you it seems to be a rhapsody. I'm a Polar, the pretty little poppy, must copy its endearing charm